How to budget like a pro, the ultimate guide, money. It comes in, and before you know it, it's gone. Ever felt like your paycheck disappears before the month even ends? That's because without a plan, your money controls you instead of you controlling it. But here's the good news. Budgeting changes everything. It's not about restricting yourself, it's about giving every dollar a job so you can finally save, invest, and live without financial stress. In this video, we'll break down how to create a simple, powerful budget that actually works for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Know where your money goes. Before you can fix your finances, you need to understand them. And that starts with tracking your spending. For the next 30 days, write down every single expense. Coffee? Write it down. Streaming subscriptions? Write it down. That late night Amazon purchase? Yep, write that down too. Trust me, this will shock you. Most people underestimate how much they actually spend on things like eating out, impulse buys, and subscriptions. If writing everything down sounds like too much work, don't worry. There's an app for that. Use free apps like Mint, YNAB, or Pocket Guard to automatically track your spending and categorize expenses for you. Once you know where your money is going, you're ready for the next step. Step 2. Pick a budgeting method that works for you. There's no one-size-fits-all budget. Everyone's financial situation is different. Here are 3 powerful budgeting methods. Choose the one that fits your lifestyle. 1. The 50-30-20 rule. Simple and effective. This method is great for beginners. Here's how it works. 50% for needs, rent, groceries, bills. 30% for wants, entertainment, shopping, fun. 20% for savings and investments. This is perfect if you want an easy, balanced way to manage your money. 2. The zero-based budget. Every dollar has a job. With this method, you plan where every single dollar goes. Your total income minus your expenses should equal 0. For example, if you earn $3,000 per month, you decide exactly how to spend all $3,000, down to the last dollar. This is perfect if you want total control over your money. 3. The cash envelope system. Perfect for overspenders. If you struggle with overspending, this method is a game changer. You withdraw cash for different categories, like groceries, eating out, and shopping, and put it into envelopes. When the cash is gone, it's gone. No swiping your card, no overspending. Which one works best for you? Let me know in the comments. Step 3. Cut unnecessary expenses. Now that you have a budget, it's time to trim the fat. Here are 3 quick ways to cut expenses without sacrificing your lifestyle. 1. Cancel subscriptions you don't use. Look at your bank statements. Are you still paying for that streaming service you never watch? Cut it. 2. Eat out less. Cooking at home saves hundreds of dollars per month. 3. Buy generic instead of name brands. Most of the time, the quality is the same, but the price is way lower. Small changes add up fast. You'd be surprised how much extra money you'll have at the end of the month. Step 4. Automate and stick to your budget. The best way to stay on track: automate everything. Set up automatic bill payments so you never miss a due date. Automate your savings. Transfer money to your savings account as soon as you get paid. Use cashback apps like Rakuten or Honey to save money on purchases you're already making. And most importantly, review your budget every single month. Your finances change, so your budget should too. Adjust as needed. Final words: your budget, your freedom. A budget isn't about restrictions, it's about financial freedom. When you tell your money where to go, you stop wondering where it went. Take control of your finances today, and you'll thank yourself tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite budgeting tip. And stay tuned for the next video, where we'll talk about how to save money fast, 10 simple hacks. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and press bell icon for next videos related to finance.